I just like how this camp is structured to where like it's more thinking than actually just like everything's handed to you directly.
Yeah, that's actually really true.
That's really important. I mean, there's lots of different ways to like become successful in your field, and I feel like school sometimes just pushes like one direct way. Like just so I don't know. That's why I like this.
Yeah, so
Alright.
going off what these two said, I think that having a mentor environment was really, really great. I think that giving the students that freedom of tinkering with like code and like being able to like create these models all on their own and giving them a lot more like leeway and time to be able to think for themselves allowed like teams of students to like snowball in terms of like learning. And I think the way Catherine gave us like our freedom of figuring things out for ourselves and then being able to tell others how we did it and then everyone else can just easily process that is like a great way of like teaching students how to learn. And I think this is like a really good system that should be like implemented for future batches. This camp teaching us how to like reduce time and costs of literally producing anything and any benefit is really important for like the real world too. I think businesses can learn a lot from AI.
We get the hands-on experience of trying to unwind everything and trying to like apply that to other areas.
Honestly, we should make you guys spokespeople for AI camp.
I mean.
No, I'm just happy I found out about just like that.
Yeah.
Good talk.
Yeah, good talk.
Great talk.
Great. It's amazing talk, guys.
Michael would love to hear this. So
Yeah, definitely.
You can probably send the recording afterwards to him.
Yeah, William, you can read.